Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in this video, I have a new body lotion by Nykaa. It's called Nykaa Wanderlust Tropical Thai Sunset. It's like a tropical fragrance. The packaging itself gives you tropical vibes. And it comes in this 300 ml bottle and the price for this is rupees 550. The shelf life is for 2 years. The packaging is very beautiful and it is all inspired by Thailand. It has the fragrance of ripe mango and delicate peony. So it has a fruity floral fragrance. It's like a tropical fragrance. I can feel the fragrance to be slightly floral, fruity with a hint of citrus also. The fragrance is really amazing, and the fragrance, it is not too sweet and not at all overpowering also. The fragrance you feel like some mango drink. It's a perfect blend of fruity vibrancy and tropical calmness. So fragrance wise and packaging wise, I really like this. Now talking about consistency. So it has a slightly thick consistency and it takes little time to get absorbed. You need to massage this really well to get this absorbed in your body. If you have taken very little amount, then it's okay, but you have taken a slightly generous amount, then you need a little patience to massage it thoroughly into your body. But once it gets absorbed, it does not feel heavy, oily, greasy, thick, nothing. But I do not prefer using thick moisturizers during summers. In summers, we all need something very lightweight and moisturizing. And moreover, if I'm in a hurry, I will never opt for this, as this needs little time and patience to get absorbed. When we are in a hurry, we need something very quick and easy to apply. And with this, you need to massage really well to blend this properly. But after application, it does not feel heavy or thick. And it stays for a good time also. Like it stays for good 6 to 8 hours easily. After that only you need to reapply this. It says 24-hour moisturization, but I do not think that it stays for 24 hours. 6 to 8 hours is a normal time. I apply this twice daily. In all of my recent reviews about Nykaa Wanderlust, I always say that Nykaa has leveled up their game. Here also the fragrance, it does not feel artificial. The fragrance, it feels very nice like a high-end brand, and the packaging also looks too good. Just look at the packaging. It looks really good. Just if this had a slightly thinner consistency or slightly runny consistency, I would have loved this. This is a cruelty-free, paraben-free and vegan product. You get the full ingredient list also mentioned here on the bottle. Price wise also, I feel the price is quite high. Something around 300 to 350 would have been great. But nevertheless, if you want to try this, definitely go ahead and try. As for me, if given a choice, this will never be my first option. And that too just because of the consistency. Had the consistency been slightly thinner, this one would have been my favorite body lotion for this season. Apart from that, everything is good. If you do not mind the massage part, then you will definitely like this. So this was my thoughts and reviews and opinions about this new launch by Nykaa Wanderlust, this body lotion. Hope you liked this video. And if you did like, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.